Can people get in legal trouble for bullying? Possibly. So there's an offense in the law in Texas called terroristic threat. And terroristic threat means that one person has threatened another person to such a degree that the person who's being threatened reasonably believes that that person could carry out that threat. There are times when bullying does meet that criteria, when threats are exchanged or when the language gets heightened so much that we're talking about threats, then yeah, that's a criminal offense. Can you get in trouble for sneaking out? Yes, you can. Every city has a juvenile curfew law. So every city has its own curfew, and if a child is out after curfew and not with their parent, not with a guardian, or not, doing a school activity, then that is a violation of that city's ordinance. Also, if a child sneaks out and their parents don't know where they are, the parents can call the police and report that child as a runaway, which means if that child gets contacted by police, they could be taken into custody and taken to the juvenile detention center for a period of time, usually until their parent comes and gets them, but that could be any number of hours if it's the middle of the night. When are cops allowed to search your car legally? So a police officer would have to have enough evidence to believe that there's something they're going to find in your car before they're allowed to search your car, unless you give them consent. If you agree to let a police officer search your car, then they can search it. They don't have to have any evidence or any reason to do so. But assuming you don't agree, then a police officer has to be able to explain the reason why they think they're going to find something illegal in your car in order to be able to search your car. They don't have to get a warrant to search your car. They do just have to be able to later explain what that reason was to such a degree that a judge reviewing it later would believe that that was necessary. Sometimes that reason can be because a drug dog came and smelled the car and alerted that there's drugs there. Sometimes police officers can smell with their own nose drugs in the car. Sometimes they might see something from the outside of your car that leads them to believe there might be something illegal inside the car. But without consent, a police officer can't search someone's car for no reason, even if that person is a juvenile, as long as that juvenile has a driver's license. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, you can find us at versestexas.com.